Ito po ang equation para maka-impact ka ng tao. Charisma times character equals impact. One day, I met a man, yung character niya, so inspiring. Tapat, faithful, honest, selfless, ang tapang, very kind, very generous. Character niya, 10. Pero yung charisma niya, 3 lang. Bakit? Kasi mukhang ordinaryo, simple lang manamit, plain lang magsalita, minsan nagsastutter pa. But because of his character, 10 times 3, you get 30. Okay siya. Grabe yung impact na ginagawa niya. Whereas I met another man whose character was broken. Sinungaling, does not fulfill commitment, manloloko. Yung character niya, negative 10. But the guy has excellent charisma. Sobrang bulaklak ng pananalita. Ang galing magsalita, ang gwapo, patatawanin ka, ang sarap kausap. Charisma niya 10. Ang problema yung character niya negative 10. So pag 10 times negative 10, what do you get? Negative 100. Yung impact niya, dami niya nakakaaway, dami niya nasasaktan. Ang ending, negative yung impact. How about you? I want you to look at your lives. How's your character? Pilit natin pinagaganda yung charisma natin. Pilit natin pinababango yung image natin, reputasyon natin, lalo na sa social media. Kaya nga, ang pinopost lang natin, yung pinakamagaganda nating post. We want to be charismatic. Pero tatandaan nyo, okay lang charisma, pero kailangan yung character. Kasi magaling ka nga, pero magnanakaw naman, magiging magaling ka na, magnanakaw. Mahusay ka nga, pero sinungaling ka, magiging mahusay na sinungaling. Matalino ka nga, pero manloloko ka naman, magiging matalino kang manloloko.